What comes to mind when you hear the word family? Well, from being our first friends to our first teachers, family shapes our lives in countless ways. So today we are here at Church Street, Bengaluru to explore the influence of family on an individual's life. So we'll go to random strangers and ask them their family experiences and the moments that define them. So let's go and hear them out. So what's your favorite memory with your family?
Like the time we sit together and spend some time watching a movie or
There are many, but honestly, going to the beach, like the little things, it doesn't have to, it's not about the place, it's about how you spend time with. So, probably beach or going to grandparents' place with them.
Memory with my family would be a trip with them where all of us were together, and that being all together was one of the best moments for me.
This year we went to Dandeli for a trip with family. It was like a joint family trip, so it was.
In 2017, when we first celebrated our firstborn niece.
Favorite memory will be like when we spend time together, eating together, sitting together, having dinner, breakfast, lunch, everything that we do together is my favorite memory.
It's mostly childhood memories which I had when I was in Gulf. So it was my best memories.
I think it was the first international trip that we went to. That was the first time only the four of us went, and I think it was really wholesome.
Any particular activity that you really enjoy doing with all your family?
cooking actually. I would love to travel with them.
Just speaking with them.
Yes, like playing card games. That's one thing I really like.
Out for dinner?
It's like the family gathering and all.
I really enjoy playing chess with my mom, and we used to play Ludo back in old days, not now because nobody has time.
Yeah, there is no particular activity, but spending time with them, that's really memorable. Also, the evening tea time, that's the most wonderful thing.
What's one thing that you think bring all your family members together?
Having fun, I guess. Like everyone likes to have fun in our family. Like
Food is something like we have interest in common.
I feel it's the blood relation that we have, because other than that, it's hard to.
First of all, I live by this thing, blood is thicker than water. So obviously, I have friends, but I don't really prioritize them. First, it's always family.
Is the love? Yeah, love and bonding.
Whenever there's a child in the family, everybody comes together.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how important do you think family is for an individual's growth?
I think it's a 10. It depends because some, there are family problems and some have trauma from that. But personally, for me, it's 10. Because my family, they're perfect, and I couldn't expect more.
I think 10 on 10, dude.
It's 10 on 10. If I have to give more marks, it's more than that only.
According to me, on the scale of 10, I would say 9. Yeah.
10 on 10.
It's more than 10, no? So obviously 10, if 10 is the limit.
100 by 10.
Yeah.
So, I think is the secret behind a happy family.
communication. That's the main thing.
Create the communication and.
I think the secret behind happy family is compromise, like
Being honest and just being, I feel it understanding towards each other, and not only that, but communication is the key towards a happy family.
Loving each other.
Understanding. Understanding?
Yeah, understanding and the bond which they share.
So, we heard a lot of different stories and saw how the family experiences vary from individual to individual. However, one thing that was common amongst all and that everyone agreed upon was the fact that family does play a very crucial role in our personal growth. But a lot of times things don't work out because of personal differences, generational gap, busy routines and whatnot. And a key to break this problem is proper communication and understanding, as told by everyone. So, this is your sign to go grab a cup of coffee, sit with your family and have that long due conversation. So, until next time.